got a bit of RC.
Whoa!
Look at this. This is the classic re-release. Now, if I had studied, I would know exactly when this was. But I think that this is a re-release from 1988. And I want to say that it has never been done before. So it's the first time it's ever come on the market. Porsche 956. And it's a Group C car. So it uses components mixture from the F101 it was back then. And a plastic tub chassis. And we have got express consent to dive right into this box.
Have we?
Yeah.
Mr. Tamiya himself.
This is, well, no, this is TFG's.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, TFG couldn't be with us today. He is renovating a house and
okay.
doing, otherwise he would have been here on a Friday running amok with us.
I thought so.
So let's have a look at the Porsche 956. I actually might have to lower the table just a smidge to get right in there. Look at this. Look at that. I'm magic.
Magic Mike.
Am I magic?
You are magic. What we got?
That. What a beautiful Art Deco vintage box. Ooh. I promise not to smash your box, TFG.
Go get that in there.
Try not to smash your box. Look at this. Here you go. Basic rules of RC. I love this. Avoid driving the car in streets and crowded areas.
I do that all the time.
Well, that's for fun. Yeah,
Just
but
for
you're
fun.
a rebel. Disconnect battery when not in use. Fully charge the batteries and never modify the wiring. Avoid continuous driving. Wow.
Oh.
Not sure what that's.
How many minutes were you driving for the other day?
Well, we had
200.
That was in total, but yeah. Let's have a look at what we're greeted with. So,
what do we got?
What have we got? I might get.
Yeah, I'll give you a hand.
Get that out of the way.
Get it out of here. You're like going to town on that thing.
We are going to town.
We're going to town.
Smash that.
Yep, put that in there.
This is the unboxing and a reboxing all at once. Going to get this out. Now, I love clear polycarbonate bodies because they're so cool to show on camera. Look at it. They are absolute disaster, and I whinge all the time. But it is a Group C body, so it's like a pan car style body, Le Mans style body, if you will.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it does look very interesting now, and I'm pretty sure that TFG very rarely does box art, but I don't know what he'll do for this one. Let's stand by and watch. Okay, so that is the body shell.
All right, chuck that back in.
What have we got in this bag here? What have we got?
What is that? You tell me, Mr. RC.
Well, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Can you
Okay.
see the excitement? It's like Christmas morning. Every day is like Christmas. We've got some more. I've got headlight buckets and tail light buckets here.
Yep, that's good.
For added detail.
Are they the tail lights there?
We've got, it's probably headlights in
Both
this one.
headlights in that.
And these ones will be tail lights.
I think you can choose different types of headlights.
Nice bit of detailing. Yeah. Here is the chassis, and that's what I mean when I said a plastic tub chassis, because it is exactly that. Look, and that's your standard Tamiya-esque stick pack. It's even got the rounded sides go in there, so your front and rear suspension does in fact screw to this one here. Uses a T-bar rear suspension like the F1s back in the day. Here is just plastic componentry. We've got front suspension arms, front bulkhead servo mounts. Here we have got the chassis brace. So it has this really cool sort of chassis brace that goes over the top there, which adds not only a sense of scale realism because it looks like a roll cage, but it adds to the balance of the car too. Here we've got the rear axle carriers that come off the motor mount. Have a look how simplistic the motor mount was. And this is just all plastic, and that's the way they were. Later on, they went to alloy, but yeah, all plastic in these 101 style models. Got some more lenses here, light buckets.
What? That's a wing.
That's a wing mount. Of course it is.
That's a wing
mount. And here we got body posts, mirrors, accessories. It will be a very simple kit, this one. But
what else you need?
I just want the
decals.
Let's have a look at
rules
the
of
instructions. You got your magic little box there.
Yeah, I'll
have a look. Classic Tamiya instructions. And if this kit took you longer than 3 hours to build, I'd say that you're probably doing it wrong.
Oh,
very, very simple, these pan cars. Yeah, really, really nice. Does have the single shock. Does have the ball differential in it. Funny pitch spur gear, of course, being Tamiya. You can get a spur adapter or bearing and put that into your conventional on-road spurs. Yeah, it shows you how to cut the body out, mount the foam tires. There you go. We got some stickers in here.
Nice.
And you've also got your window masks, which is really nice. So back in the old days, you would have had to hand mask all this. Now it's all via a template. You still have to cut it, but it's all there on a template, which is really nice.
Easy as, easy as.
Now, what's in the boxes?
What's in the box?
I love to have a look at these. Usually I don't open these because people get a bit funny when you've been in their box. But
this is TFG.
This
You're always in his box.
That's right. Let's have
his
a look.
inbox, if anyone's wondering.
Here we go. Let's have a look here.
Oh,
Look at this.
is that carbon?
No, this is just a bit of fiberglass. So
Oh.
this will be the T-plate rear suspension. It's designed to flex.
Yeah.
So it does up on two like O-rings on the chassis point, and it flexes off of that. You have your motor mount on here, and the axle go across.
Yeah, cool. Okay.
But yeah, it's designed to flex. So that is part of the suspension, the flex in it.
Yeah, nice.
Comes with a Sport Tune 540. That's really cool.
What's that?
Sport Tune motor. So that's just the higher spec of the kit motor that's usually in most.
Oh, okay.
These are usually pretty desirable and a very good 23 turn motor. Here we've got the spring and the shock, the metal components, the metal axle, all the screws, and of course your Tamiya little hex wrench.
Bags.
Look at that.
Yeah, I've got one of those now.
You do?
I do. For my Porsche.
You love your little Miffy Porsche.
I love it.
Your little TTO2.
It rips.
It's going to be cool. We'll get you out on track one of these days.
Absolutely.
And we'll capture it in the magic of cameras. Let's have a look what's in this box.
Yeah, let's do it.
And then this is the last bit of the puzzle. And TFG can rest assured.
Claim his
know that-
prize.
Oh,
the tires.
these are the tires.
Oh.
So expanded rubber.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you.
So
Whoa.
it's foam. Actually foam rubber.
How quick do these wear down?
The rear one's not super fast. The front one's very fast.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because they're like gripping as they turn.
Yeah, because they just push everywhere. But yeah, foam tires. It's something that we don't race on much anymore. 12th scale cars race on them now still.
Okay.
But pretty much all other classes race on rubber.
Yeah.
Also, sorry, 1/10 nitro and 1/8 nitro uses foam tires, but pretty much everything else uses conventional rubber.
Rims.
Servo saver, shock mount, and there's a diff componentry for the ball differential.
That's
I love
bit
it.
different.
Bit different.
Stylish, different, unusual.
Nice.
Nice.
I like it. Look at that. It's not a box of donuts. Although I should put a donut in there for
For
him. He would love that.
TFG, I love it.
He would love
In
it.
fact, why does it smell funny? Why does it smell funny? There's donuts in it. Where's the lid?
I've
Put
lost
the
it.
lid. There it is behind you.
So you have reboxed it. Look at that.
Go on.
That's the most effective